Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make macarons at home without an oven and without eggs. Traditional macarons rely on specific ingredients and baking conditions, but we can achieve a delightful, similar treat using alternative methods. This guide will walk you through each step, focusing on innovative techniques to create a stable, chewy, and delicious macaron-like confection right in your own kitchen, proving that you do not need specialized equipment. To replace egg whites, aquafaba, the liquid from canned chickpeas, is an excellent choice. You will need about 100 milliliters, or roughly 1/3 of a cup, whipped until stiff peaks form. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar to stabilize it. This creates a meringue-like base. Alternatively, a flax egg made from 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed mixed with 3 tablespoons of water can also work, though the texture may vary slightly. Without an oven, a food dehydrator set to a low temperature, around 120 degrees Fahrenheit, can slowly dry your piped shells over several hours, typically 4 to 6. This process creates a crisp exterior. Alternatively, an air fryer on its lowest setting or even a double boiler on the stovetop can gently firm them up. The key is low, consistent heat to dry, rather than bake, the shells. Once your shells are ready, fill them with your favorite ganache, buttercream, or fruit jam. A simple chocolate ganache made with 2 parts chocolate to 1 part cream works wonderfully. After assembly, allow your macarons to mature for at least 24 hours in the refrigerator. This resting period helps develop their signature chewy texture and allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Store them in an airtight container for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.